Now, these language models you can consider as an operating system. I'm not saying relate it in the reality, but to understand basic understanding. If you are using, somebody is using Acer laptop. I am a very interesting question. My boss asked me that, Anas, we wanted to use Mac OS in our office. Please try to get and buy something which is coming under 50,000. I have reached to a store and I asked, can I get a device or PC which is costing less than 50,000? And he showed me an Acer laptop, okay, and an HP laptop. And I have bought all those laptop and brought it to my office. Do you think I have done the right task? No. The reason why, because it was clearly mentioned that the OS is the requirement. It is not the functionality. It is not the company, or it is not the capacity. So the model plays a vital role in that. Absolutely, Nizam. Model is the soul of entire system, the way it has been trained, the way it has been layered of things. Because that only define the difference. And why I asked about the storage to you at the initial. Now imagine, okay, so when I asked the question about the storage at that time, my intention was very simple, because ChatGPT uses its generative GPT models to reply and run. Now, if you know, Microsoft Copilot uses ChatGPT's model only. Only 3 days back, they have introduced Claude as well, the model of Claude, that's Sonnet or Opus 3. They have introduced as well. But now tell me an example. It is just like that. One side Acer is using Windows operating system, other side HP is using again Windows operating system. So I think both of them have the soul same, I guess. Yes or no? Absolutely. So what makes them different then? I mean, Copilot is also using the model of ChatGPT. ChatGPT itself using their own model, but sometimes customized. Absolutely. This customization makes the differences. These customization are the quality of a company. I mean, I will say maybe OpenAI bring with some crazy feature which Copilot doesn't allow. Why? Because let's go back again to the first question I had. How many of you ever have a call with your family members or your close friends over the Teams video call? Generally, we use that? I mean, think we use Teams only for official purpose, because that's definitely, and we have used WhatsApp and for the purpose. That is the difference. The model was made by OpenAI. They made an application called ChatGPT, and they integrated the same model. They sold the same model to Copilot and said them, Microsoft, okay, you need an AI assistant tool in your system which can help in PPT, which can help in Doc, or which can help in Outlook, which can help in the system. You can use our model, skin it with your look and feel, and use it for yourself. So now, if somebody asks me if I'm using ChatGPT or if I'm using Copilot, though the soul are same, but just the look and feel is different, basis on the skin has been given to that particular thing. Okay, so that's the models teams. The models are basically, you can understand that they are the operating systems on which the entire system runs and the work. Now the model could be multiple types, just like we have two major leaders in market, or three major leaders, because the Linux is there, Windows is there, and Mac OS is there. I'm using this common language and common example because so that everyone can relate about it, because we have been used that. The key to treasure model cybersecurity point of view, the key to treasure in the model from absolutely Nizam. The reason, and I'll tell you, the key to treasure is very simple. I'll ask you a very simple question on that. If you know about cybersecurity point of view, if an operating system made in Europe and if an operating system made in India, which you're going to use first? One model of Europe follows GDPR rule, and the operating system of India is yet to be get compliant by DPDP. Now tell me which is going to follow. GDPR. Absolutely. That is what I'm trying to say. Because then you need to find out such models which are categorized or stacked under these regulations and these laws, no matter what tool you are using. But you have to be very careful of the models they are using. The most mimicked and the most suspicious model in the market was DeepSeek. When it came, it has outranked Nvidia and everybody. But people said it is a Chinese model. It could be less safer. That's the question. I mean, that is what our choice, that what we are trying to choose. But the entire China is using the DeepSeek model, and they are doing performance better in respect to the capacity of infrastructure everybody else is doing. So that's the story of language model, guys.